आई डोंट थॉट कि मुझे लाइव स्ट्रीमिंग करनी भी चाहिए बिकॉज द इंटरनेट कनेक्शन विल बी वेरी वर्स्ट वर्स्ट एंड एवर देन जस्ट कि जब स्ट्रीमिंग करने बैठो खाली डिस्कनेक्ट होता रहता है इंटरनेट कनेक्शन एंड आई जस्ट लाइक कि फ्रस्ट्रेटेड एंड आई एम जस्ट ट्राइंग कि कोई नहीं फिर से करते हैं कितनी बार करेगा बंदा आके दिस इज माय दिस इज माय फोर्थ स्ट्रीम लाइव स्ट्रीमिंग ठीक है एंड three times the streaming got disconnected because of a bad internet connection. सात बजे जिम भी जाना है अपने को और तो जिम भी खाली मिलेगी बढ़िया Suraj bro, you are just send ki you have just sending me a invitation card that you have built using an AI tool. So can you just send me a link so I can just view your art? Okay, the download speed is 29 and upload speed is 12.35 MB. So now I don't think कि अब internet speed अब हमें कोई issue आएगा streaming में ठीक है because I fix it. I don't fix मतलब कि रेंज मिल गई अभी तुम्हें किस्सा भी सुनाता हूँ कि बार बार इंटरनेट डिस्कनेक्ट क्यों हो जाता है किसका वाईफाई है या आखिर मेरा ही है ना तो कहीं किसी और का तो यूज नहीं कर रहा just close this front end tabs and let's talk about some back end है ना बहुत फ्रंट एंड कर लिया अब चलो थोड़ा बैक एंड पढ़ते हैं now let's revise the back end just open it some configuration file index.js ठीक है and from the tomorrow I have just start to building a full stack application or to do web application using an AI and my own knowledge so ठीक है so just make sure तुम बनाओ मेरे साथ कल ओके ओके so with this particular folder I just said cgis text.js and app.set proxy required for render virtual secure cookies app.set app.set trust proxy app.use, it is a middleware. Okay, this is an also middleware, but it's used to required to render and versal to secure cookies. और क्योंकि इसको यूज करने का काम तो आता है, बट कैसे होता है, लेट्स आस्क टू द चैट जीपीटीज. So let's start the streaming again. And in this streaming session we have to just understand all things. ठीक है, एंड हम पूरा प्रोजेक्ट बनाएंगे, पूरा प्रोजेक्ट को समझेंगे. ठीक है, पूरा प्रोजेक्ट हम बनाएंगे किसी दिन, क्योंकि आई एम नॉट एन एक्सपर्ट येट. आई एम जस्ट अ लर्नर हु जस्ट लर्न एवरी सिंगल डे एंड गो लाइव to just revise. Okay, now because they sent me an internet connection issue, and here just I check it. The download speed and uploading speed. Okay, so my streaming is. So hi everyone, if you're just watching the streaming, just comment down which language. Bro, what's your qualification? Bro, I am a BCA, I'm a final year BCA student. I'm from Delhi, bro. Pushparaj, I'm from Delhi. And Gaurav, which language I've used? I use I use JavaScript to build a web application, and currently I'm following a Merge stack. And my qualification is just like I'm a student, bro. I'm not a teacher, I'm not a professor. I'm a student of a final year BCA student. Okay, who's learning web development. Okay, I'm doing Merge stack. I'm learning a web development, and now I just completed my backend. So I just go live every single day to discussing on my project, what should I build and how I build. Okay, so I'm go live every single day to revise the concepts that I have learned today. Okay, I have building a multiple projects, and currently I'm in this live revision session. I'm learning Python. Okay, so you are learning Python. Okay, so you are a Python developer. So you are learning AIML or a machine learning, something like data analytics. दिस इज अ कम्प्लीटली अ क्वेश्चन बेस्ड क्वेश्चन. तुम मुझसे कुछ भी आस्क करो एंड मैं तुम्हें उसका जवाब दूंगा. सिंपल, ठीक है. बिकॉज इन द लास्ट स्ट्रीमिंग सेशन आई हैव जस्ट ऑलरेडी स्टडी सो मच फॉर द टुडे, एंड आई हैव नॉट एनी प्लान टुडे. सो जस्ट कि आज हम लाइव करेंगे और डिस्कशन करेंगे, बिकॉज दिस स्ट्रीमिंग इज ओनली फॉर पर्सन हु डोंट हैव. ओके, जस्ट छोड़ो उसको. यू आर अ जेंगो डेवलपर. ओके, I am a AI ML engineer. You are an AI ML engineer, bro. So you are a student or you are a working professional, bro? Or are you a student or you are a working professional? Hmm. I am a student. Okay, so you are a student. Okay, so you are a BTech student. In which year, bro? You are? In which year, bro? You are? UTF, bro? Where you just said कि तुमने कहाँ पढ़ लिया UTF? I don't know what is UTF. In last year. Okay, you are in your last year. I just saw on VS Code. UTF. Bro, if you are just not, if I don't know, just there is only a one person who know. Chat GPT. Just ask him what is UTF it means. Is there anyone who has a bad English communicator, who has a bad English communicator? You are struggling to, who has and struggling to speak English. If anybody from that, just comment down. If anybody has, is any someone has who have a bad English, bad, or bad communications. UTF is a character encoding system that allow computer to store and display text from almost all language in the world. UTF it is a character encoding. Binaries number को जैसे some binary number. Okay. UTF is just like nothing. Unicode transform format 8-bit. Unicode is a universal system that give you every character in a universal number. मैंने इसको समझा था स्काई वैल्यू होती है या GK2 fact is said correct. This is an encoding method. This is an encoding method that's convert your alphabetic into an numerical you're converting to a binary number ठीक है because computer understands 0 and 1 ना there have only a two socket yes no it will be a binary number and hexadecimal value है ना UTF is a standard way to store and display text properly in almost every language on the internet ठीक है bro is anybody in there is who's struggling to speak English is anybody here just tell me is anybody here who is struggling to speak English communications because I especially go live every single day and choose this YouTube channel and start this YouTube channel to just improve my communications. Is anybody who has a bad communications just write down because this in this streaming I just don't quote so much and don't explain so much. If this is a basic discussion streaming. Okay. because you don't have any extra class and I don't have any extra class today. हेलो बर्डी, हेलो। कैसे हो ब्रो तुम? संपाता कुमार। Like in machine learning, we have to read data in Python. So we use encoding method mainly. All data has UTF-8. Okay. Bro, I don't like in machine learning. देखो मैंने तो अभी AI ML कभी इतना एक्सप्लोर किया नहीं है, ना मैंने पढ़ा है। So I don't have enough knowledge कि मैं तुम्हारे इन सवालों का जवाब दे पाऊंगा। बाकी otherwise if they just asking me I coding, so they get to facts बता रहे हैं because they know what is it. So I think we should need to revise the concept because there is nobody who has to ask any question from me. Okay, so let's start the streaming. Okay, rusty.proxima. क्या है जैसे कि tell करना है tell express to trust the first proxy server in front of your app so it's can correctly detach the real client IP and the HTTP status. Why this is needed? Why you deploy your project Why you deploy your backend on platform like Random and Virtual? Your app is not directly exposed to user. Instead, request go like user, proxy server, Random Virtual, your Express app. So your app doesn't see the real user IP or whatever the connection is HTTP. It sees the proxy server. Why important to secure? When using cookie secure.express.check login, it is request.http. But behind a proxy express thing, it is an HTTP. So cookies will not be sent. That what trust is just like example without this express thing request is HTTP. Secure cookie fail. With this express correctly detect HTTP secure. Okay. So हम use करते हैं this middleware. It is a middleware. Just ask me. Is it is work as a middleware? Hmm. My portfolio site is not working. Bro, I'm not putting the portfolio website. I'm putting my live authentication web application. Is if it's not working, just I wait, I check it. I use this URL, na, so I just simply copy it. The live demo project you can see in my description. Okay, you can simply copy it and I just simply go and paste it. From my application is working. It is successfully deployed. Here I can see it's working. If you just facing a problem, just refresh your browser and re-entered again and visit again because it's working. And you can create your account as well and it will be stored in a database. Here I can see. So that's okay. So we have two user who's created account. Yes, so you have created account Abhay Kumar. So you have created your created account. Who is an Abhay Kumar? Just see. दोनों मिल जाए भाई, अच्छी बात है। गर्लफ्रेंड भी मिलेगी, जॉब भी। ओके। तो ब्रो दोनों चीज मिल चुकी है आपको। आर यू अ वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल और यू आर यू अ स्टूडेंट? So you said my link is not working. Check. Ah, just is my website is working? Is or not? Is my website working? Is my deploy link is working or not? मैं नहीं। आई एग्री ब्रो। अभी तुम आए नहीं हो तो स्टीम बिल्कुल हेल्दी है। अब तुम आ चुकी हो तो देखते हैं क्या होता है। So just tell me yes or no. Is my website is working? Is my deploy link is working or not? Just tell me yes and no. Is my website is working? अच्छा कोडेक्स नम पोर्टफोलियो। Achha, my portfolio, I can just wait. Should I mention my portfolio link as well? Wait. I don't mention my portfolio link here. I don't mention it anywhere. Bro, I don't mention my portfolio link URL. So how you can access it? Bro, Codex num portfolio, I have just deployed it. But actually, I don't mention it my description. So from which site on from where you can access my portfolio link to try to access it. If you just want my portfolio link, I can just simply show you. I have built not built completely. I This is my portfolio website. Here you can see. I use this port build this website using a tutorial. Okay, because it is not easy for a fresher as a beginner. So I just use the tutorial to build this my portfolio. And I built this web application completely using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Okay, and some basic styling library frameworks that I've used. And this is my experience. This is just like a dummy experience, but yeah, the education is correctly have mentioned. I have a NILET O level qualified, and I'm awaiting result of NILET A level. ठीक है, so NILET O level मेरा हो चुका है. Is anybody know who is NILET? Is anybody know who is NILET? अच्छा GitHub bro, I have not successfully deployed that project. I have just create. If you want to just access the URL of my portfolio, just wait few days because I have deployed that project. Check deploy link. You just said to go to a portfolio website, portfolio project. I don't deploy it, bro. ये एक बेसिक प्रोजेक्ट है जो असाइनमेंट मिला था मुझे. So it is not a real project and so I think I don't deploy it correctly. So that's why it's not working. Hmm. If you want, give me one advice about web development and recourse tool. web development and bro, I think I understand you are just talking about one advice about web development. What you are just write a recourse to learn. What is recourse? If you are just giving an advice about a web development, if you don't jump into the web development yet, so don't jump it because the market is so crowded right now in web development. So if you have to go, just go to the AIML and heavy backend. Just but the web development is so saturated. Wrap no name code X portfolio. By the way, if you want my project portfolio URL, I can deploy it in a few days because it's not completed. So I deploy it where few days later, but I can't remember it why it's not working because when I just deploy it that time, so it's that time it's working, but right now it's not working. Okay, so सूरज भाई आई जस्ट थॉट कि तुम जा चुके हो बाहर कुछ काम से लेकिन तुम नहीं गए कब जाओगे शाम तो हो चुकी है 6 बज चुके हैं सो प्लान इज कैंसिल और नॉट when I deploy the project I use the anti-gravity tool so they just set up all the necessary thing but they write this filter dot boolean and I what the use of that code filter dot boolean using an AI tools to building and project sometimes it's very difficult to understand the code yes literally ये कोड तो मुझे सही में समझ नहीं आया कि भाई what is the purpose of filter boolean what is used for this is usually used in code configuration backend like Node.js it tell your server only allow request from this front end URLs okay download speed and upload speed is better the only thing I want ki खराब ना streaming okay so Let's get back to the track. This is a usually used to code origin in backend line. ठीक है, it's only request from this front end. Only allow request from this front end URLs. Okay, line by line code const allows original array. You are currently on array list called allowed origins. ठीक है, this list contain URL that are allowed access your backend. ठीक है, this is your local development front end URL. This is your deployment front end URL versal. So when your app is live, your backend will also allow request from the production URL. ठीक है, so that's mean take front end URL from environment variable, for example .env file, and front end URL is. So instead of hard coding URL, you can dynamically set it. What is filter.boolean doing? This is very important. Sometimes process.env front-end URL may be undefined. If it's understand, so if it's undefined, it will run this. Okay, that's not good. So filter.boolean remove all. Okay. Hmm. There is nobody in that live streaming who has an extra class today. Everyone put it that now no, and someone is also setting a smart mind don't need an extra class. Okay, so this code create a clean list of a front-end URLs that are allowed to access your are blocked. Okay, ये सिंपली क्या कर रहा है, ओनली अलाउ रिक्वेस्ट फ्रॉम दिस फ्रंट एंड यूआरएल, कि इस कोड में हम बेसिकली एक्सेस दे रहे हैं अपने फ्रंट एंड क्रॉस ओरिजिन को, कि अगर फ्रंट तुम ना फ्रंट एंड की रिक्वेस्ट तभी एक्सेप्ट करो इफ दे आर रनिंग ऑन दैट होस्ट, इफ दे रनिंग ऑन दैट होस्ट, अदरवाइज अ फ्रंट एंड डॉट यूआरएल। ठीक है, और फिल्टर बूलियन कर दो, कि मतलब ना अगर ये अनडिफाइंड चल रहा है, इफ इट विल बी एन अनडिफाइंड, they just simply put down, if it is undefined just filter kar do boolean ko, just remove the boolean from that file, so our server is running on both from them. ठीक है, they can simply choose it ourselves, and also they can choose the local host as well. ठीक है, and it is use course origin original callback. ठीक है, allow server to server curl postman to origin, if origin return callback null true, it allowed origin include origin return callback null true. They just change the code so much if I use the anti-gravity tool. Bro, I can't understand this code. I just use an AI tool to just boost my productivity, and it will be change my few codes, and I will be just like shocking ki how the actually things work. समझ ही नहीं आ रहा मुझे सही में. Bro, you can just anybody just can ask me any question. Just ask me a question. If there is anybody who's learning a web development as anyone who has a working professional, is anyone who has a working professional, is anybody still alive? I am just starting web development from today. You are starting a web development from today. You are choosing very special day, bro. You are choosing very special day to learning web development. Seriously? You choosing 14 Feb to learning web development. Is any bad to bro, did you done major projects? Bro, my major project is just like कि अभी मैंने monster complete किया so I don't created so much project yet. But yeah, we have just creating a project in this month. And right now I'm thinking कि let's create some basic project first so I can just make make my foundations strong. So your college major project. Your I'm a final year student and I just don't created an entire project yet. But I have just kept a synopsis file of a full stack Pickify. It is in Pickify, a full stack grocery management system. And I built this entire project in Stack, but I don't build it yet, but I will be starting soon because currently I have a time, so I'm don't working so much on that project because currently I don't have sufficient skills so I can just build that project from scratch. So right now I'm just learning. Okay, Sampath Kumar, you have just tell me from which. Not really. I was going for AI, but there is not much job opportunity in my country for ML engineer. Okay. Bro, are you which country from you are, bro? You are from which country? You said ki there is no much job in AI. You said there is no job in AI. In India, everyone said ki AI is the boom career. Everybody get a job in AI ML if they have a good skill. And you said there is no opportunity in AI and ML. Which country you are, bro? Am I television? Can you just tell me which country you are? Nepal. Okay, are you from Nepal, na? Okay, so you are from Nepal. So you can just, if you have a great skills and a great communication skills, a great AIML skills, so you can just apply for a remote job as well. Because I don't think कि AIML is AIML is a boom career, bro, right now. AIML boom पे है अभी. If you have a great skills, you can easily getting a good job and even an internship. I just simply go to the LinkedIn and just write down AI ML internship. Go to the jobs. And I'm currently now I'm in Delhi. So Gurgaon is not so far from my home. So just it's an AI engineer internship. Bro, this is the job description. If you have this kind of skills, you can get an internship or job, bro. because AI/ML is a good career. I have a not a good math. I'm not good so good in mathematics. Otherwise, I also choose AI/ML or a data science or a machine learning because in data science and machine learning you need strong mathematics. No, computer vision intern, computer vision intern demand planning center of acceleration, AI/ML production science, Python developer, agentic AI, quantum for you, Python related. There is so many internship and job related to Python, AI/ML. Unless you are going for research field, you only need basic understanding. रिसर्च फील्ड में तुम्हें बेसिक अंडरस्टैंडिंग करनी चाहिए ठीक है यू नीड टू स्ट्रॉन्ग मैथमेटिक्स ना एआईएमएल में तो मैथमेटिक्स का काफी ज्यादा रोल आता है इफ यू हैव टू जस्ट गो सो डीप सो दैट इन एआई मशीन लर्निंग स्टैटिक्स प्रोबेबिलिटी बाय द वे आई एम completely a beginner so I don't have so much knowledge so I can just tell you कि तुम ये कर लो वो कर लो I'm just trying to be a creator download pro ठीक है you are a BSCSI student I never Cyber Security and Performance Technology Information. The full form of CIT is Cyber Security and Information Technology. It is the framework established for the Reserve Bank of India to access the cyber security regardless of bank security focused on IT assignment. Okay. Bro, I know. I don't know what is the Cyber Security and Information Technology examination. I know the cyber security, but cyber security framework, the RBI introduced the CSP framework which serve as a guide for conducting risk focused IT cyber security framework for a bank. Help assess the overall cybersecurity and IT risk posture of banks and ensure they have efficient control in place to migrate research. So, bro, it's the researching field. It is an researching field or a coding field. Okay, when we just back from that's great. So I'm back. ठीक है अभी ऑलमोस्ट कवर एवरीथिंग ना कि मतलब फ्रंट एंड कैसे काम कर रहा है बैक एंड कैसे काम कर रहा है एंड नाउ आई जस्ट नीड अ प्रैक्टिस बिकॉज दिस कोड इज लिटरली आउट ऑफ माय माइंड बिकॉज समझ ही नहीं आ रहा क्योंकि हमने सिंपली एक क्रॉस रीजन बनाया था जिसके अंदर हमने होस्ट पास ये पास कर दिया था URL but when I come to the deployment which there is a most of the things was change so what I need to practice a load header content name पता है लेकिन a load header में authorization चीज समझ नहीं आई I just need to copy this entire code and ask the chat GPT to explain me this code in simple and easy manner ये नहीं समझ आया है मुझे ये कोड तो if anybody has a question related to the computer science or the coding just ask me in the comment section and I will just reply of every comment okay and if you have a person like me who is struggling to getting a job getting a tech job just write down your questions so tech is anyhow so we can relate it or not है ना if you are the you are the also one who is struggling to getting a tech job or a development job in 2026 or you are in a final year student and you are a graduate and still finding a job if yes just write down because I'm just curiosity to check what the exactly happened in that currently job market and how a student and a candidate is struggling. Just tell me. Just tell me in the comment section. Be a completed. Okay, I don't need to just start it, but I'm just waiting for you. If you have any question, just ask me because this is a celebration day of me because this is the power of consistency. Are you struggling to getting a job? If just write down why anybody's 5 people watching this. Why not anybody had asking me any question? Just ask me now. In this particular session, we have don't code anything. Our all revision session is completed. Okay. Now it's just I'm here to just give you an answer of your all questions. Okay, and all confusion. And I just want key if you have to just be a part of my community, just go to the description and my channel page here. You can access the Telegram channel. You can simply go to and join my channel. Join my page. And I've also created a Discord page as well in a few days. So make sure you can subscribe me and connect with me. Okay? Tell you one thing, your life is working now, so focus on targeting. Be serious. Plan a project, small, big, and its deadline, and work daily. Don't keep check analytics. Only respond to chat and work. Your life is working now, so focus on targets. Be serious. Plan a working. तो जस्ट लाइक कि हाँ मतलब यू आर एग्जैक्टली राइट बट जस्ट लाइक कि मैंने पूरा प्रोजेक्ट रिवाइज कर दिया सो लेट्स प्लान द एंटायर जस्ट इस वीक को प्लान करते हैं ठीक है लाइव स्ट्रीम पे एंड यू जस्ट सेड कि मतलब यार एनालिटिक्स देखने की बार बार एनालिटिक्स देखने की गंदी आदत लग चुकी है मुझे only respond to chat and work okay so let's go I'm going to work I just plan my next week कि ना क्या करेंगे ठीक है सबसे पहले तो फर्स्ट थिंग वी हैव टू कंप्लीट दिस ऑल रिपीटिशन ऑफ वेब डेवलपमेंट जिसमें फ्रंट एंड हमारा पूरा कंप्लीट हो चुका है बैक एंड वी हैव ऑलमोस्ट कवर द बैक एंड एज वेल so now just set up the backends okay try to solve some few questions I'm not an expert in DSA yet. Okay, just log in. भाई GitHub open करो. GitHub, okay. Here is my GitHub repo. You can simply go to and access it. Now I just give a link in the description. Just go and check it, and make sure just follow me as well. Okay, okay. So you follow me. Ayushing. Okay, you are just following me, and you are my first follower in GitHub. Thanks to be a part. Okay, so you have building a multiple quick GPT full stack AI chatbot. MERN, Gemini, ImageKit, Razor Pay, a full stack AI chatbot application built using MERN stack. Okay, resume builder, a portfolio, a quick chat application. Okay, what of the day? Much of the strength of building. Okay, front end, a back end, database, cloud DevOps, and tools. Okay, so you are full stack web developer and also a generative AI and LLM engineer. Suraj bro, I just tried to solve a lead code questions in from the next month because currently I'm not capable to solve a lead code question yet because I'm not an expert. If I'm just go to it and try, I just make me myself upset. Hello bhai. Hello bro. Hello. Coding ab hai. So you are following me on a GitHub ab hai and Ayush. Not it is an Ayush na. Okay. Ayush bro, you don't have an extra class today. This because the purpose of this live streaming is over. I'm just here to just talk and chill because I've completed now because I've devised the thing almost everything because and I don't have a topic yet to just tell. Don't do it randomly. Plan it, mention it, title, and also pin it comment. Come live with the goal. Okay. Don't do it randomly. Plan it, mention it in title, and also pin in comment. Come live with the goal and can start from Monday. Okay. I need to create a plan. Yes, I agree because ये plan बनाने की जरूरत तो है क्योंकि मैं just live आ जाता हूँ right now I'm just still confusing कि क्या करूँ बिकॉज प्रोजेक्ट को रिवाइज करना था वो लास्ट स्ट्रीम में कर दिया था एंड वो कंप्लीट हो गया था एंड दिस स्ट्रीमिंग जस्ट लाइक कि अभी मैं कुछ कर ही नहीं रहा हूँ एंड आई जस्ट एक बार यहाँ पे हो चुका है रिफ्रेश रिफ्रेश कर ले भाई I finished this streaming session at 7 p.m. After this live discuss with ChatGPT plan next 10 days today. Keep notes your work next 30 days seriously and look back. You will smile. What have you done? It's crazy with planning. Okay, got it. Seriously. And look back, you will smile. What have you done? It's crazy with planning. Okay. So you just said कि you have to build a full structured plan, है ना? A structured plan, but you just don't do anything randomly. Just define your why and how to do just like na. Okay. So I should need to clean a structured plan ना बिना plan के काम चलेगा नहीं and I'm just doing the thing randomly. Okay. तो प्लान करते हैं इस टीम के बाद सूरज भाई पक्का करूंगा मैं बिकॉज आई जस्ट रियलाइज कि ऐसे तो यूजलेस है क्योंकि ना समझ ही नहीं पा रहा कि अभी मैं बोलूँ क्या करूँ क्या क्योंकि प्लान नहीं डिस्कस कुछ प्लान ही नहीं बनाया था इस स्ट्रीमिंग के लिए तो जस्ट लाइक कि मैं आया था मैं सोचा बात करूंगा तो शुड आई जस्ट नीड टू क्लोज दिस स्ट्रीम सेशन शुड आई नीड टू एंड दिस स्ट्रीम सेशन स्ट्रीमिंग इज एनीबडी हैज अ क्वेश्चन जस्ट राइट डाउन ठीक है related to any question not related to the coding anything just ask me because I need to focus it because I close this streaming session in just 5 minutes I will be just waiting if anybody has a question just write down okay so I cut down this streaming session ठीक है I will be back soon in the next streaming session we have just create first thing after the streaming session I just create an structured plan and then I go live again okay because it is not a correct method and correct way to keep myself I just keep myself busy but it's not make me that what we have to I to becoming just okay